Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, and today we are going to be making a quick turmeric mixture for garden spray. Now typically these mixtures are recipes usually for a liter, and you would use 2 to 3 tablespoons of turmeric. I'm doing a double batch here, so I've got just over 2 liters. I'm going to do about 5 tablespoons of turmeric. And you want to put it into some nice warm water, not too hot, just warm, just enough to activate the turmeric in the water. Now there's another way to do this. You can use half and half milk. The milk, you can fresh milk, expired milk, it doesn't matter. Really, you're just going to stir that in here at the same time and let the bacteria, helpful bacteria, start to activate itself. And as for the turmeric, it's the curcumin that's in there. That will help to fight off your funguses that want to start on your plants. It's also good to keep away bad bacteria. Some of the other pests don't like it as well. When you spray it, don't spray it too heavy. You don't want to turn your leaves yellow. But it's good. It's really helpful. Now you'll notice I'm not using milk here. And at $5 a liter, because of the milk cartels in Canada, I'm not spending that kind of money unless it's going in my gullet. And even then, I hardly ever use milk at all. This explains why our cheese is so expensive as well. So we're just going to let this sit here for about 2 minutes in this warm water and let it do its magic, right? It needs to go through the water and start activating itself and start spreading through. And yeah, just about 2 minutes, or you can let it sit longer. It's up to you. Now, turmeric is so good for you. I have it on my eggs every morning. Now, we want to strain this so that the clumping of the turmeric, because it is a powder, so that it doesn't clog up the spray nozzle. So we're just going to slowly pour this in here and strain it. Now this has been completely strained. And what I'm going to do now is just pour it into my sprayer. You can use any kind of sprayer. You can use a little handheld sprayer. I'm just happening to use this because I have a larger garden. And even if I have some left over, I will then go in the front and spray there. There we go. Right, next let's go spray. Now I like the pump spray because it's potential energy. You store it through pressure. And let's give it a spray here, see how this works first. There we go. Get a good spray going. There we go. Yes, potential energy. You just pump it and then you're gonna have to use a battery or anything. You can buy those little battery powered sprayers that just dips into any container whatsoever. I mean, those are really handy, of course. You know, until your battery dies. Now, whenever you spray these, make sure you try to get them underneath which is why this long wand is rather handy. Now you may have noticed my container says res on the side. It's part of a paint thing that I gotten for the deck. I'm supposed to be able to spray paint with it, and of course the res paint just clog up and not really spray efficiently at all. So I cleaned it out and I've been using it for the garden ever since. Very handy, super handy. All right, well, that's pretty well it. The rest of the video will just be me spraying the garden. And you're welcome to stay and watch. Bye-bye.
Bye.